Hey guys, my name is Jeovani Rojas. This is my submission for top 15 installers of the year. I started in the industry 11 years ago. I've been at Showtime Audio for the last 5 years. My installation philosophy is make the client feel confident that he's gonna get the best possible install and experience.
When you rip it out, this will be red, right?
Yep. My biggest professional influence are my boss, Gary Villa, and my friends, Miguel Vega, Ricardo Rangel, and others. How my coworkers will describe me? Well, the only thing that I can say is I'm a pain in the ass, but you can ask them.
Gio is a very stubborn guy. No, I don't know. Start over. Very positive, I would say, and always wants to make everything work perfect.
I have to thank Miguel for this, because this is the best light ever. So my biggest challenge this year is being better organized. I mean, some people they're gonna say, oh, this is easy, it's easy to be organized, but it's not. So thanks to Jerry, so actually I got everything set up the way I wanted, and that was my biggest challenge this year. I want them to remember the amazing feeling that they experience when they hear their car for the first time. Why should I be part of the top 50 installers? Because I want to inspire others the way I was inspired to reach a new level and better myself and my craft. Thanks for taking the time to watch my submission, and I want to wish all my peers the best of luck.